Hi guys! We are here at Lemon Pie House in Sagada. We went after lunch na, kaya ang daming tao na sa labas. Pagpasok, they have low tables and chairs, and konti na lang ang mga tao. Here's their menu. Affordable naman and almost the same price ng mga all-day breakfast dito. Unluckily, sold out na ang kanilang lemon pie this time. Kaya we place an advance order na lang for tomorrow's pick-up. If you plan to dine dito, I suggest na pumunta kayo maaga pa lang kasi after lunch, hot and cold drinks na lang ang available. Ito na ang famous lemon pie of Sagada. Masarap siya as dessert and merienda. Till next time!